How to make the globalized dish, orange chicken. So to start with, combine orange juice, sugar, ginger, vinegar, soy sauce, water, garlic, and chili flakes into a pan and bring to a boil. Mix cornstarch with cold water in a separate bowl and gradually add into the boiling sauce. Bring to a boil again and wait until the sauce starts to thicken, and then take off the heat. In a separate bowl, beat 3 eggs with 1 tablespoon of water and set aside. In another bowl, add flour, cornstarch, and salt and set aside. Cube your chicken and dip in egg mixture and then dry mixture until chicken is well coated. In a pot or a pan, add oil and bring to medium-high heat until the back of a wooden spoon bubbles when dipped into the oil. Fry coated chicken until golden brown and cook through. You can check to see if your chicken is cooked through by pulling a piece apart with a fork and making sure it feathers. Once the chicken is cooked, add to a separate bowl and pour sauce over it. Serve over rice and enjoy. You could also use green onion oil on your rice for even more flavor. The Foodie Informative aims to share and encourage the story of global food, and even though this unique globalized dish may not be traditional, it is a delicious fusion of Hunan Chinese flavors and American food cultures. This recipe is in the description, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching!